Steering and suspension components work together as a system, and oftentimes a failure of one could affect the performance of another. One of the biggest advantages of a GSP knuckle hub assembly is the fact that they are pre-assembled with GSP hub bearings for easy installation by the customer and a complete replacement of possible failed parts. With more than 10 years of experience, GSP provides an innovative solution to common failures resulting from hub and knuckle wear or damage. First, it's responsible for housing the front wheel bearing, which makes it possible for the wheels to spin. Second, the knuckle assembly connects the steering system on the vehicle to the wheels. This makes it possible to turn while the wheels continue spinning. And third, the knuckle assembly bolts directly to the main suspension components, giving the vehicle the ride and comfort it needs while holding the vehicle within factory alignment specs. Because the knuckle assembly has a wide variety of jobs to perform, these factory components are prone to wearing out over time. This hassle-free design reduces the likelihood of errors. It requires no special tools, and it reduces potential warranty issues. This simple approach could result in shorter repair times, more bay turns, and a higher car count. As with all our products, GSP knuckle hub assemblies use silent ride technology. This translates to reduced noise, decreased vibration, and a more comfortable ride. GSP wheel bearings and hubs are built to OE specifications, ensuring a precise fit, increased performance, and a long service life. GSP incorporates abrasion-resistant hub assemblies with increased longevity thanks to precise spacing of our ball bearings. The high-quality rubber used optimizes the seal's performance and durability against high temperatures and gives superior protection against weathering over time. Through precision engineering, our Tier 1 quality control maximizes performance and service longevity. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information.